So this is question 2, and in this question we have two friends, Stewart and Michael, who have arranged to meet each other. And we know that they're 8 kilometres apart. Stewart is going to run towards Michael at 12 kilometres per hour, and Michael is going to bike towards Stewart at 20 kilometres per hour. And we want to know how long it will be before the two friends meet. So we can't assume that they meet in the middle because Michael is going to go further. So Michael is going to cover more distance than Stewart will in the same time. So what we actually need to think about is that Michael travels 5/3 times as quickly as Stewart, because 20 divided by 12 is 5/3. And so from this we know that Michael should cover 5/3 times the distance that Stewart covers when they meet. Okay, well, this means that Michael covers 5 of the 8 kilometres and Stewart covers the other 3. So we know that Stewart travels at 12 kilometres an hour and Michael travels at 20 kilometres an hour. So Michael does 20 kilometres for every 60 minutes. This is an hour. But he only wants to do 5 kilometres. And so to get from the 20 to the 5, we've divided by 4. So we need to divide this by 4 as well, so we have the same ratio. And 60 divided by 4 is 15. So Michael does 5 kilometres in 15 minutes. Now let's have a look at Stewart. Well, Stewart does 12 kilometres in 60 minutes. So we want to know how long it takes him to do 3 kilometres. And to get from the 12 to the 3, we've divided by 4. So we need to divide by 4 on this side as well, which gives us 15 minutes again. This is good because these two things should match up. And so we find that it takes them 15 minutes to meet each other. So our answer is A.